Hey single moms of neuro nomads, I just wanted to come on real quick and share this video with you that'll give you a few tips on how to successfully travel with your child, especially during flights, going to the airport, maybe even going out to restaurants, things of that nature. Check it out, see what you think.
Hello, lovely parents. Today, I'm diving into tips on how to prepare your autistic child for travel, field trips, and special events. Yes, it might seem daunting, but with a bit of preparation, you can make these experiences enjoyable and stress-free. First up, break down the event. Use a visual schedule to detail the when, where, who, and what. Visual aids like photos or videos of the location and people involved can be super helpful. Google Street View, Facebook, and YouTube are great for this. Social stories are magical. They explain what your child will experience in a personalized way. Whether it's flying, attending a wedding, or a birthday party, these stories prepare them for what's ahead. Now, itineraries are your best friend. Share detailed plans with your child, including flight details, camp schedules, and names of instructors. This helps them know what to expect and reduces anxiety. Check for any possible disruptions. Know if there will be closures or maintenance that could disappoint your child and have a backup plan ready. Open communication is key. Talk to your child about the event, address their concerns, and explain the reasons behind certain decisions. Sensory needs are crucial. Choose sensory-friendly destinations, plan less busy times, and check for accommodations like sensory-friendly hours or disability passes. Align activities with your child's interests and involve them in the planning process. Remember, it's okay if your child doesn't attend if it's too overwhelming. Never force participation. Develop alternative plans like having a babysitter for part of the event, and always have an exit strategy if things get difficult. Keep the itinerary simple and include breaks. Involve your child in the planning as much as possible. With these tips, you're well on your way to making travel and events a wonderful experience for your autistic child. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips.
And there you have it. I hope these tips have been helpful. I hope you're able to use some of them. For those of you who do travel with your child, please let me know if you have used any of these tips and if they've been beneficial. Leave a comment down in the description box. We would love to hear from you. Also, if you would like a personalized social story, ebook, activity book, video, specific to your child with their name included in it, also leave a comment below in the description box and let me know. I want a personalized digital product. But that's it for now. Stay tuned for the next video.